After delivery, for most of the ladies, it is very difficult task to reduce their mummy tummy. So, if you have this powerful weight loss drink, definitely you can reduce your mummy tummy and get back your old perfect shape. And this particular drink, it also increase your metabolism and it also clear your colon system, which mainly leads to weight loss. So let's see. Jeera water is very low in calorie and it's safe to drink when you are on weight loss plan. 1 teaspoon of jeera has around 7 calories, so you do not need to work out extra after having it. Cumin seed are an excellent source of antioxidant. Benefits of fennel seeds: regulates blood pressure, great for skin problem, purifies bloods, help in improving eyesight, reduce water intention and suppress appetite, vital for bloating, IBS, indigestion and constipation, reduce risk of cancer. It helps in bloating your metabolism. Changing hormones and a growing uterus slow down digestion during pregnancy. This gives rise to gas, bloating, and flatulence. Ajwain seed have thymol, which enzymes the digestive enzymes and improve gut health. Ajwain water prevents constipation and strengthens the uterus wall. So these are all the benefits of ajwain. Coriander water can be the best at the moment as it can boost your immunity. The antioxidant present in coriander helps in reducing the free radical activity. It keeps your defense mechanism boosted and help you to lose weight. Good digestion is the first step to reduce your weight successfully. So a little bit of curry leaves you need to take. So these are all the ingredients needed. So take a pan and add 2 teaspoon ajwain, 2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 teaspoon jeera, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds and handful of curry leaves. So just roast it for 5 minutes in medium flame. You can get a nice aroma after a few minutes. So let it get cool completely. So after that, just take a mixer jar and grind it into fine powder. So weight loss powder is ready now. So you can just preserve it in airtight container and use it in the morning in empty stomach and night before going bed. So the procedure to prepare this: take a pan, take a vessel and add water. I've added something around 1.5 glass water and 1 teaspoon of this weight loss powder. Let it boil for 5 minutes. So after that, you can add 1 teaspoon jaggery powder. This is optional. You can drink as it is also. I'm adding over your jaggery powder. So weight loss drink is ready now. So just take a strainer, filter and filter it. So weight loss drink is ready now. You can have this in the morning in empty stomach and during night before going bed.